Okay.
You can't come over this way a little? Ooh, softer than soft. That's probably just 90% water.
Okay.
I have to clean it out.
Okay, as you can see, the potatoes are all steaming. They're all cooked. And they're going to be garlic mashed potatoes. Then we look over here at the meatloaf, and it looks really well cooked.
We're going to take it out of here and put it
Oh,
on.
you're going to take it out already, huh? Let's see if we have meatloaf. It's kind of a skinny meatloaf, but I knew it was going to be small.
But you're only making it for 2 people.
Yeah, just for us. And now we're...
Find a knife. Ready?
The grand reveal. Ooh. There. Is it even going to hold its shape? Looks
Yeah.
like it.
See?
Perfect. Bites. Well, hope you enjoy this as much as we will. Yummy.
Okay.
Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to heat our pork roast in the sun oven because we had cooked our pork roast earlier and had some for dinner last night. It was really good. So we're going to do leftovers, and this is
Heat
what?
it up and make sandwiches in the bread we just made.
That's right. Sounds good to me. So I'm really pleased that I don't have to light up the oven. It's come in really handy in the summer because we don't have our outdoor kitchen up yet. Trying to get it in the sun and stay out of the sun when I'm filming, but again, the sun oven is adjustable. You can raise it up or lower it down.
You can show them the hole.
Oh, okay.
No, just come around here. Where they're playing. And the hole's right down.
Didn't want to make anybody dizzy,
There.
honey.
You should be able to see it just fine.
Can they see that hole in there? Okay.
They should be able to see it just fine, right there.
And what's that for, Rob?
That's for lining. You see the little light hole at the bottom. Or we got a different one on this side. And it tells you when you're centered on the sun. The elevation and side to side. Tells you when you're lined up with the sun when you see that light. Well, come on.
Okay, now you've got this, I notice, here at the bottom to help
Yeah,
in
just
the
so
wind,
it don't blow.
so it doesn't blow away or blow over.